Hi, welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Sophie, and today we're going to talk through our new showcase, which is Warm Winter Wishes. So it's including this cute little llama and this cool cactus. So something a little bit different for Christmas. Might give you some Spanish vibes. So I've used the cactus and the llama on some nice little cards, but today I'm going to show you something different, which is this cute little Christmas cactus tag. So to get started, just going to bring over our stamping platform, and I've put the cactus on there ready. Just going to use the Metro Grey hybrid ink. Let's just ink the stamp up. Okay. Squash them down a little bit. Yeah, the great thing about the stamping platform is if it doesn't quite catch the first time, it's in exactly the same place, so you can just pop it down again with some more ink. So we've got our little cactus. So now we're just going to take the little hole punch, or a bottle from Alison, and you can just pop a little hole on the top there, so where you're going to put your twine through. And then, so I'll show you on this one. Okay, ready. So if we put it around there, you want to give yourself enough room to cut around, at the top. So just make sure you give yourself some room to cut around the cactus as well. And then we're going to go ahead and colour the cactus in with our Nuvo markers. So here's one I've made earlier. So just show you there. So I've gone for Pillow Mint, I think, on this one, which I think works quite nicely. And then just take some of our twine, which is here. And then obviously you would cut around. So you cut around the cactus and then pop your twine through. And then you end up with the cute little tag. So obviously you could write on the back of that. You might want to double it up so you get a nicer background. You could use some of the other stamps. So I've also done one with a llama. I think he's really cute. And then obviously there's more stamps in the set. So I think it would be nice to get a Warm Winter Wishes one, maybe one with the sleigh or the cute little houses at the top. Yeah, I'd really love to see some of those if some of you want to have a go at the tags. I'd like to see it on the Facebook group if you want to share them. And yeah, happy crafting.